In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new email campaign in Go High Level. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to get your campaign started without feeling lost in the platform. First, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level account and that you're in the correct workspace or location where you want to send your emails from. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the navigation menu on the left-hand side. From there, you're going to click on Marketing. This is the section where all of your promotional tools live, including emails, campaigns, and more. Think of it as your central hub for reaching out to your audience. After you click on Marketing, you'll see several options related to different channels. Go ahead and click on Emails. This will take you to the email section where you can see statistics, scheduled emails, and templates, depending on what you've already set up. If you're brand new, this area might look a little empty, and that's completely fine. Inside the email section, look towards the top or one of the tabs, and find the option labeled Campaigns. Click on Campaigns. This is where Go High Level organizes your email campaigns so you can build, manage, and track them all in one place. If you ever need to come back and edit or check performance, this is where you'll return. Next, to start a fresh campaign, look for a button that says New, often shown as a plus sign with the word New beside it. Click on New. This tells Go High Level that you're creating a brand new email campaign rather than editing an existing one. Once you've clicked New, the platform will give you options for how to start your email. Here, you want to either select email marketing templates or choose a blank option to build your own template from scratch. If you're just getting started or want to move quickly, using email marketing templates is usually the easiest path, since these are pre-designed and formatted for common use cases. After you've chosen whether to use a pre-built template or a blank one, you will be taken to a screen where you can see the available templates. Take a moment to scroll through and find a layout that matches your campaign goal, whether it's a newsletter, a promotion, or an announcement. Once you've found the one that fits, click on that template to select it. At this point, you've officially chosen the foundation for your new email campaign, and you're ready to move on to customizing your content and settings.